Welcome back to the Genius Analysis. Today, we're diving into a unique topic: how to be like Light Yagami from the popular anime and manga series, Death Note. Light Yagami is a character known for his intelligence, strategic thinking, and strong sense of justice. Let's explore the qualities that make Light Yagami who he is and how you can incorporate these traits into your own life. Understanding Light Yagami. Light Yagami, also known as Kira, is a complex character with many layers. While his actions and methods are controversial, there are certain qualities and skills he possesses that can be admired and emulated. We'll focus on his intelligence, strategic thinking, discipline, and confidence. Main points: cultivate intelligence. Light is exceptionally intelligent and well-read. To emulate this, make a habit of continuous learning. Read widely across various subjects, especially those that challenge your thinking and expand your knowledge base. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind, such as solving puzzles, playing strategy games, and participating in debates. Develop strategic thinking. Light is a master strategist who thinks several steps ahead. Practice planning and thinking critically about the consequences of your actions. Set clear goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. Break down your plans into manageable steps and anticipate potential obstacles. Study strategic games like chess or strategic planning methods used in business and warfare to sharpen your strategic mindset. Maintain discipline and self-control. Light exhibits extreme discipline and self-control. Work on developing these traits by setting strict routines and adhering to them. Practice self-discipline in your daily life, whether it's sticking to a study schedule, maintaining a fitness regimen, or managing your time efficiently. Learn to control your emotions and stay calm under pressure. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help with this. Exude confidence and charisma. Light is confident and charismatic, which helps him influence others. Build your confidence by working on your public speaking skills and improving your body language. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem, such as mastering a skill, achieving personal goals, or helping others. Cultivate a positive self-image and believe in your abilities. Confidence comes from within, so focus on your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Sense of justice. Light's actions are driven by a strong sense of justice, even if his methods are extreme. Reflect on your own values and principles. Think about what justice means to you and how you can contribute to making the world a better place in ethical and constructive ways. Volunteer for causes you believe in or take part in community service to channel your sense of justice into positive actions. Examples and exercises: reading and learning. Create a reading list of books that challenge your thinking and broaden your horizons. Include genres like philosophy, psychology, and strategic thinking. Strategic planning. Set a personal or professional goal and create a detailed action plan. Outline the steps you need to take, potential challenges, and contingency plans. Discipline practice. Establish a daily routine that includes time for learning, exercise, and relaxation. Stick to this routine consistently for a month and observe the changes in your productivity and mindset. Confidence building. Practice public speaking by joining a club like Toastmasters or participating in debate teams. Focus on improving your communication skills and gaining confidence in front of an audience. Conclusion: becoming like Light Yagami involves cultivating intelligence, strategic thinking, discipline, confidence, and a strong sense of justice. While it's important to admire these traits, remember to use them ethically and constructively. Closing. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what other character analyses you'd like to see. Stay tuned for more insightful content from the Genius Analysis.